So as always, that is the big disc frame. It's not hard to see or understand. They'll set you up as a red car Michael Dunn, Michael Sands, Sutcliffe Steve Wright, Wayne Kissons, Brady Huntley, Fred West, Roy Whiten, White Van Man, Christian B, This Lawnmower Man, Sandringham Serial Killer, really don't think so, all to cover up high crimes, Royal Blue Murder, certainly not mine. That one that just went by had up on it as a big setup in Dis Norfolk, UK. Norfolk Coopers, Coppers, Dis Mason Council, White Lodge, the local mafia, the local mob, 17. So a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl, abused and hunted, found dead on New Year's Day, Royal Sandringham Estate, Killenfields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. Keir Starmer did cover up the murder, made that one disappear. He was head of Crown prosecution at the time. And Andrew Tristan Tate just walked into a big trap in America. If they're extradited to the UK, they won't see the light of day. But high crimes, Royal Blue Murder, that'll all be covered up. Andrew and Epstein, trafficking women, young girls, children, boys and girls through royal estates with royal clearance for members of the royal family, aristocracy, other so-called elite clients. No investigation whatsoever. I don't know how many of them were disappeared. So you have human hunting parties, satanic ritual abuse and sacrifices. So two will smokers certainly will smoke you, do anyone's dirty work. Again, no black wizard here, and a Volvo estate. Con on that one, 17 on that one. Prince of Darkness, ET Hybrid Host, Red Dragons, again there, high royal blue crime, New Year's Day fine. September Blue Murder, certainly not mine. And no Clockwork Orange, Norwich train station, mountain bike rapist here. And I was on a woman's black Dutchy bike, not a mountain bike. And police surrounding my frame fixed Skoda at Hitcham, calling for backup. Nicely setting me up as the Black Cat, copycat, Black Cat of Burston, Son of Sam, Black Panther, Sandringham serial killer, really don't think so. And Monster Lies did cost me my coach driving job, nearly got me killed on 3 occasions. So plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, castles, manor houses. UK's Devil Island, country estates, and certainly not mine.